Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming precise dimensions and securing the area. This prevents mistakes and injury. Once the opening is measured, remove any fasteners with a pry bar, lifting the old board straight up. Do not twist. Make a rough cut of the replacement board to length using a circular saw, leaving 3 to 5 mm clearance for swelling. As you cut, support the board at both ends to avoid binding. Make sure to keep hardware organized. Label removed screws so replacements match their positions. You now place the trimmed board into position for a dry fit, checking alignment with a straight edge and visual gaps for drainage. Once satisfied, mark fastener locations and remove the board. Pre-drill holes slightly under the screw diameter so wood won't split and fasteners bite. Replace the board, then drive screws in a staggered pattern. Start at one end and work outward, so the board seats evenly. As you tighten, check level and make small adjustments. If using adhesive, apply a continuous bead. Clamp briefly to set. You finish by trimming any overhang, chamfering edges for runoff, and sealing joints with a marine-grade sealant to prevent moisture intrusion. Once cured, install any protective hardware like edge plates or rubber bumpers. Then test the dock board by applying progressive load. Watch for deflection and listen for creaks. If you detect movement or a loose spot, recheck fasteners and underlying support. Tightening or adding a blocking piece usually fixes it. If the problem persists, remove the board and inspect the joist for rot or missing framing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.